Ever wondered why can't I get a flat stomach with crunches? Well, let's unpack that. Myth number 3, it's crunch time. Crunches, although great for boosting your core strength, aren't the golden ticket to a flat tummy. Curious as to why? 2 words: spot reduction. This is the belief that focusing on one specific part of the body through exercise will reduce fat there, but plot twist, it's a myth. Our bodies are in control of where to store and shed fat, not us. What actually works? A comprehensive fitness plan and a nutritious diet. Train your whole body, not just one part. Remember, good things take time. So don't lose hope if your stomach isn't getting as flat as you want it, as fast as you want it. Stay the course, stay healthy, and stay locked in for more myth-busting facts. Rewatch this short for a quick refresher. Until our next myth-busting session, keep questioning.